Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Marlita Domingo, 40 years old. I am single. I have 2 children, ages 12 and 10 years old sons. I have 4 siblings, 3 boys and 1. I am the only one girl. I am college level and I took up Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Cairo, Egypt as domestic helper for 4 years. I serve 6 members of the family, 1 couple and 4 children. I worked also in Hong Kong for 2 years with 2 employers. My first employer, I served 3 persons of the family, 1 couple and 5 years old son. My household chores is cleaning, cooking, gardening, marketing, washing. My main duty is taking care of the children. And my second employer, I serve 3 people, 1 couple, and 1 baby. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing, ironing. My main duty is taking care of pet.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always securing the safety of the children, sir. And I always check the temperature if the baby is sick. I will inform the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
I have a small tattoo in my right arm, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I really wanted to work in abroad to provide my family needs and also to provide my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and also my in-laws.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and always remind myself that I really need this job.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening when my work is done, and I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be calmer and
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. Like fried chicken, fried vegetables, and also the Chinese soup.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom and Sir. When you select me as your helper, I will do my best with all my heart, with all my best.
Okay.